To adjust wake up alarm sound volume in the sleep mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Tap turn on automatically. Next, tap your current sleep schedule. Tap alarm sound. Slide the volume adjustment bar to the right to get a louder sound. Or you can slide it to the left to get a quieter sound. Tap the back key. Tap save button. And then tap done button to save the change. By doing this, now when your wake up alarm for the sleep mode rings, it will be played in the predefined volume level. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.